welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy or watch other people make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. And turn on your notification bell so you'll know the next time I put another one of these videos up. All right, so this is my hashtag Friday sews for, August what? Let me see. August 23. Where is the time going? August 23rd. All right, so I only have one more week of my hashtag So Reversible 2024 left until we'll be showing things and pulling prizes. I've been having a great time. That's what I've been working on. So this week I did a whole bunch of this kind of stuff. I hope, well, we'll see which way it comes out. And I've made a few things that I really, really loved, and I made them reversible. But that's what I've been working on this week. As far as, I think I signed up for hashtag, I think work in progress. Hold on, what's it called? I want to give them their props. It's called Finish That Work in Project 2024. It's starting in October, and it's perfect for me because I wanted to do a year-end thing and work on some of the things I had in some of these buckets that were already cut out and needed to be done. So it is being sponsored by, I don't know. I'll get that information for you and put it in the description box. But I signed up for that. Next month is Dress A Girl. So there's lots of stuff to be done between now and the end of the year. So I do have a little haul for you. It's not my fault, but I do take responsibility for it. You'll see when you see the haul. Oh well. Okay, so and I released a couple of videos on some of the things I made, and I made anatomy. I've made another video to show how I made this outfit right here, and so that should be coming out pretty soon. Also, I had a request to do a sew along for the McCall's 8149 skirt, which is one of my favorite skirts, and I hope I'm showing it over here. Very simple, very quick to do. You do not have to make it reversible. It's just a great skirt. All right, so that was pretty much the week. Let's see. I guess it's time for that haul. Now, you know, I said I was done with the 3-dimensional mesh print fabrics, but I was minding my own business. And my daughter inquired about the black fabric that I used to make this here bomber jacket. And while I was in there trying to find it for her to let her know she could get 6 yards for $50 of it, rather than $49.99 a yard at Joann's, I ran into navy. Y'all know I love navy. All right. I'm not gonna say it's the last one. I'm not. All right, y'all, pray for me in these 3-dimensional fabric. I need to let go. But I'm so excited about lining that fabric with a copper or a midnight blue. But I'm gonna hold off until I'm going to the coast in September, and I'm gonna check out Pablo's and see if they have some more of that charmeuse like fabric that I used for this dress right here. I love the hand of it, and I'm going to see if maybe they have it in a midnight blue or a copper. I'll get some of that to line that because I'm going to work on costumes in October. Alrighty, so I hope you're having a great week. I hope you got a chance to be creative in some way to fill the soul. All right, we'll see you soon. Take care.